In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add materials in Roblox Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to add specific textures and materials to any parts that you create. So as you can see, this cube or this part that I added has a custom material applied, and you will be able to manage this, add custom ones, and browse through all of the available default options. So if you would like to use any of the default materials, you will find the option here. So under Home, you will see Material. Just click on this arrow, you will see all of them. You can click on Material Manager to open an expanded view. So I'm going to use this because it is better for me to record. So you have all of your materials here. When you click on them, you will see this preview and this tiny ball. And then if you click on a specific part and then you choose Material at the top, you will be able to apply it. If it doesn't change when you click it over here, then just make sure that you select it from the top. If you click on a part, you can also preview them like this. So when you find a specific material that you would like to apply, click on it once, and now it is done. So as you can see, this metal one is very shiny, very reflective, and you can manage it here. You can apply it to the selected parts by clicking on this option, and it should work for most of them, even the spawn plate over here. Now, if you would like to create custom ones, you can click on this Create Variant option, and you will be able to use the default ones as variants, or you can use this menu at the left. They also have an option under Material called Generate. If you click this, you can actually type out which specific material you want. So let's say, for example, I want a brick wall. And then I click Generate. Of course, they already have brick, but I just wanted to showcase the material generator. And then it is going to take a while. They are going to generate some textures, and you can use them however you prefer. The variants that you create will appear over here, and you can apply them as well. Of course, these variants are going to be blank because they don't have a base material applied, but you are able to manage them as long as you choose the options here, Materials Overrides. So as you can see, it actually created some brick walls. Let's say I wanted a brick wall with moss. I can also do this. And of course, if you just want to keep it simple, you can choose from the base textures that the game offers. They will have plenty of default options for you to choose from, and you can use any of them. I hope I was able to help you on how to add materials in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.